Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare Murgh Lazzatdaar. It's a very delicious chicken preparation. It is slow cooked chicken which is marinated with yogurt and spices. I usually like to keep my recipes simple and easy so that even bachelors and beginners can make them very easily without any effort. Usually dhaba style recipes are not relished every day. Once in a way it's okay to indulge in them, but these recipes day to day you can make them with lot of variations and spice level, everything adjusting according to your preference. So let's proceed to make Murgh Lazzatdaar. Murgh Lazzatdaar, a very easy chicken curry which is slow cooked with yogurt and spices. You can enjoy it with rotis, fulkas, naans, or even plain rice. Doesn't it look so delicious and inviting? It makes a great party dish also. So make and enjoy. For this we have taken 500 grams of chicken, wash it very well, and then we have 1 cup of finely chopped onions, 2 small tomatoes cut into pieces. Here we have 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 2 green chillies and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 cup of yogurt. For the spices we will require whole spices, 4-5 cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon and 1 black cardamom. And then we have half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste, 2 pinches of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of dried mint powder. You could also use handful of fresh mint leaves instead, and chicken masala. We have taken 2 teaspoons. I use Shan chicken masala. This is really very flavorful. I am not paid to promote this product, but I really like this Shan masalas. Even the biryani masala is very good. You must try it out sometime. This is the magic ingredient. And 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Detailed recipe link also is provided in the description box. You can check it out. Let us marinate the chicken first. Put them into a larger bowl. Add ginger, garlic, yogurt, dried mint, nutmeg powder, chicken masala powder and salt to taste. If you are adding fresh mint, you can crush it and add. So mix all these spices very well. You must set it aside at least for 1 hour, but it's better to do it for 5 or 6 hours. The more you marinate, the better chicken flavors. Even overnight it can be done. You can refrigerate it. Cover it very well and then set it aside. Now in a pan, heat oil. Dip in the whole spices. Just toss them until they give out a nice aroma. Now add the onion and saute it. We are going to saute until the moisture from the onion is dried up. In winter, you can see the onions are so wet and so much of moisture comes out. Keep stirring it from time to time. Do this until the onion becomes golden brown. Now you can add the tomatoes and the green chilies. If you wish, you can chop up the green chilies and add. Even increase the quantity of chilies if you love spicy food. Those who don't like very spicy food can add the whole chilies and discard them later. Now the tomatoes are nice and soft, and at this stage we are going to add the marinated chicken. We are going to saute the chicken well until it gets a nice brown color. So For this you have to keep stirring from time to time. Cover the dish, let it cook a bit, again you stir it. This well marinated chicken has a lot of flavors from the spices. Maintain medium flame. Add turmeric powder, chilli powder and little salt. Be careful with the salt because we have already added some to the chicken while marinating it. Give a good stir with the spatula and flip the pieces. Again cover and simmer it. Every minute you open the lid and stir it so that the masala doesn't get stuck to the pan. Now we'll add 1 cup of water. Check the salt. Add if it is required. I think little bit has to be added. Now reduce the flame, cover the lid and simmer it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Give it a nice stir. Flip the chicken pieces. As you can see, there is still lot of moisture and chicken needs to be cooked still further. So cover it again and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now open and check it again. When the chicken is tender, even sometimes it gets cooked in 12 minutes also. These pieces are little tough and little more to go. Check with a knife. I'm going to simmer it for 1 minute more. Before that, I will add some coriander leaves. These are frozen coriander leaves, and check out the link. I'm sharing it in the description box how I freeze them. Now the chicken is ready. I have served it with plain rice and jowar fulkas or thin rotis. Check out this recipe. It's a different process of making thin rotis from jowar flour. I'm sharing the link in the description box. You can check it out. And also see the other chicken recipes: Sindhi Sale chicken, Maharashtrian Goda Masala chicken, African chicken curry with peanuts. I'm sharing all these links in the I button and description box. Bye until next. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye until then. Have a nice day.